the lipstick. Is that hair? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can hopefully tell by the title, I will be unboxing my mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury. I am beyond excited. I love Charlotte Tilbury. She's the sweetest person on earth. She's a great makeup artist, and my favourite lipstick is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's Nude Cape, by the way. So if you're equally as excited to see what I got in my mystery box, then just keep on watching. Okay, before I open the box, I would like to read you the description that I found on her website. And the story of me impulse buying this product is I received an email from Charlotte Tilbury. There was like a 50% off on this mystery box, and I was like, There were 2 mystery boxes. When I got on the website, I went on the website almost immediately, and one of the boxes, the bigger box, was already sold out. So I got the Magic Lips mystery box and I paid £70. The original price is £140, and I will be adding all of the products, like the value of the products. Forgot to close my window, great. And we shall see whether it was worth it or not. When it comes to Charlotte Tilbury, her prices are a little up there. One lipstick costs £25, so I usually don't splurge on Charlotte Tilbury. This is what Charlotte has to say about this box. Darlings, this is now sold out, so sorry you can't get this. Mystery box containing 6 magical full-size lip makeup icons. Shh! The iconic Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk Original is inside. Very excited because I always wanted to see what Pillow Talk would look like on my lips. Let's stop rambling and let's get into this box. I'm so excited. Oh my god. There's a box within a box, and that was in an envelope? Like, really? Oh my god. Well, I know I'm keeping the box. Ta-da! Quite a big box, not much in it. At least it doesn't seem like there is. Okay, I'm gonna put that down, and the first thing I picked up is the Collagen Lip Bath. Never had it in my life. Excited to try it. I assume... Ooh. I did not think that would be that. Minty. Nice. Oh, and it's heart-shaped. There we go. I'm probably going to zoom it in for you guys. Pretty. Very pretty. It makes me think of NARS Orgasm because it's peachy with loads of gold flecks. Plump Effect Collagen Care for the appearance of fuller, wider, fresher lips. Glide over your lips for instant volumizing lip care. So it's a plumping lip gloss. Right, next thing. Kissing Fallen from the Lipstick Tree. This is Stoned Rose lipstick. The packaging is amazing. It's metal and it's rose gold and it's so pretty. Ooh, I like that. Typical scent. It has like that vanilla frosting kind of scent. Ooh, I did not expect Stoned Rose to be like an orangey colour. I like that though. I like that a lot. Next one is called Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner. Okay. Oh guys, I think the shade is Pillow Talk, which is the most iconic shade in the Charlotte Tilbury line. Whoa, super creamy, super nice. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Cannot wait to try it out. It's matte, which is good. I hate lip liners that are like satin shimmery kind of thing. Next one, oh my god. Oh. Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick. This is Pillow Talk. So I have a liner and the lipstick. Is that hair? That is a fibre. That is straight up fibre, guys. I'm not going to start drama or anything, but I will try and film that bit for you guys. So clearly a fibre. Nope, it wasn't me. You could just see it on the screen there. I opened it and it was there. I don't mind that. It clearly is just a fibre. It's off. I'm too excited for these products. Again, I love Charlotte Tilbury products, and oh my god, this looks so pretty! It's definitely less matte than I expected it to be, which is good. If you've seen or if you have not seen yet, I have a video where I show you a lipstick. It's a collaboration with Jennifer Lopez, and that formula is so matte. It's like Sahara Desert kind of matte. This seems like it's going to be a nice, comfortable matte. Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. I didn't even know Charlotte Tilbury did liquid lipsticks. Instant Glamour in a Tube. Ooh, honestly, I didn't even know Charlotte Tilbury had liquid lipsticks. Ooh, Charlotte Darling. Charlotte Darling. I love that. It looks like it's going to be my kind of nude. It's the last one there. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to give it a minute. I wonder if it's like a dry down matte like Jeffree Star is. I don't think it will be. I reckon it's just a liquid lipstick. But I love that colour. It's like a just ever so slightly darker version of Nude Kate. And yeah, I love it. And then finally, the most funky packaging ever. This is Pillow Talk Diamonds Glossy Starlit Sparkling Lip Looks. Charlotte, what even is this description? Right, let's open it. I'm guessing it's... Oh, I'm so confused. What is it? Oh, ooh. Yeah, I think it's a lipstick, but I'm going to swatch it across. It's a metallic lipstick. I don't know if I'll wear it. It's not my kind of thing, but it could be like a good alternative to a lip gloss. I think I will swatch some of these. Let me wipe that off. Let me find out all the prices for these products. Let me add it all up, and we shall see whether it was worth £70, whether the claim that it's 140 is true, and this mystery box is worth it. Okay, so I know everything, darlings. Collagen Lip Bath, which is that gloss, basically, that plumping gloss, is £25. That's quite a lot for a lip gloss, if you ask me. Beautiful orangey stoned rose lipstick is £25, like I said, all of her lipsticks are. The Pillow Talk Lip Cheat is £17. That is a lot for a lip liner. Like, come on. I told you she's expensive. Pillow Talk lipstick, £25. Like that liquid lipstick in Charlotte Darling. By the way, it didn't dry down fully matte. It does kind of set a little bit, but it's not matte. I still like it though. I love the colour. Charlotte Darling again. It's £25. And the mystery thing, the Pillow Talk Diamonds, is also £25. That is a rip-off, my opinion. Anything else I can somewhat justify. How much is in there? 1.8 grams, and her lipsticks are 3.5. So altogether, all the 6 products that I got add up to £142. I bought them for £70, which means I bought them for half price. To be fair, I'm just thinking now, just out loud, people can simply buy those products separately. They are only saving £2 when they buy the mystery box rather than the products separately. Like a lot of the time with mystery boxes and stuff like that, you kind of get at least one product for free. Do you see what I mean? Like, I did get a bargain because it was half price. But if I were to buy it for £140, I would have been mildly annoyed. Realistically, if I'm gonna spend £140 and get £140 worth of product, I might as well buy the products that I like rather than, for example, in my case, I'm probably not going to wear this. The Lip Collagen, aka the lip gloss, seems very sticky. I will try it on in a second. So out of the 6 products, I'm only going to use up for. I'm going to use about £90 worth of product. Again, in my case, bagging, but if I paid 140, I would be annoyed. It's a cool thing, but she was stingy. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, let's take this off. Okay, I mean, it's the most iconic. I might as well. I'm taking that lip liner and I'm lining my lips. Very smooth on the lips. For a Caucasian skin tone, I can see why it's a very common lip liner. But is it necessary? I'm not the biggest fan of lip liners anyway. I don't think they are necessary. I'm taking Pillow Talk lipstick. Oh, she's pretty. The scent is beautiful. Super creamy, super comfortable. Not really that matte, but again, for me, that's a good thing. Lip liner, not necessary. The lipstick though. I'm going to try that plumping Collagen Lip Bath on top of this. I was worried that it was going to be very opaque because it seems like it in the bottle, but it's not. I don't think it altered the colour of the lipstick too much. And she is minty. She's tingly. I love this combo. It's very minty. It's like, dare I say, I love minty lip glosses, but dare I say, it's starting to get uncomfortable for me. And again, I love them. So if you don't like them, you will very much not like this. Okay, we have 3 more products to try out. I'm very intrigued about this colour. It's that Stoned Rose. That's not very rosy colour. It really sounds like I'm shading Charlotte, but I'm not. Trust me, I love her. But this is not rosy. Do I like it? Yeah. Would you have thought that this shade is called Stoned Rose? Because I wouldn't. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful colour to wear in the summer. Like, it really is orange. And I want to pair it with that Pillow Talk Diamonds, which I honestly did not understand. This is definitely not necessary for me. I don't wear stuff like this on my lips, but it definitely like added shine in like a nice way. I like that combo, but again, I don't think this is necessary. Like, I'm glad I have it because it could have been a terrible product, but £25, not in a million years, Charlotte. Oh, that shimmer stays on your lips. The most exciting product of all, the Hollywood Lips. Same scent as the lipstick, but a lot more faint. Oh, that looks so good. That's like my favourite undertone to wear on my lips. Okay, I take everything back. Charlotte, darling, you have killed it with this shade. I love this shade. Probably even more than Pillow Talk. Because I like yellowy nudes, I want to throw this on, even though it tingles a lot. And it's not sticky. I thought it was. Take it back. It's more like oily. So pretty. Is it worth it? For £140? No, definitely not. For 70, 100%. I think for £70 I got a good range of various different high quality lip products, which I'm really happy about. The biggest surprise of all, I actually really like the lip bath. I thought it was really sticky, but it's not at all. That tingly sensation, it's a lot, but I like it. £25 for it though, I don't know. Are my lips plumped? Well, I'm not the person to judge that because my lips are already pretty full, so I don't need that tingly sensation. I just choose it because I like it. Again, the biggest disappointment, the Pillow Talk Diamonds. Like, that is a misunderstanding. This is a pass for me. But I'm really happy with my box. I hope you are too. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You are the best. I hope to see you next time.